I'm very sorry. I'm gonna be doing cat makeup. As you can see, I look like a cat because of the eyes. I did eye makeup. Now right here, what you're gonna do is you are going to shade in the nose a bit. It may take a bit of time, but you have to do it efficiently, okay? And you're gonna look very great. Now you do the other side. I did a bit of, oh man, I can't write. I can't do it with my other hand. But you just gotta color in on your nose to make it do nice. Alright, I think that's good. As you can see, I got the cross right there. Now you're gonna I'm gonna do the eyes again because they don't look really good. It's all about shading. You gotta get it shaded real good, okay? See this part? You just skip that, okay? Because you don't want it to get actually in your eye. Yep, you shade your other eye like this. Get up top. Now your forehead right here, you're gonna do this. There we go. A $sign, I heart money. That way you can impress people. They'll know that you're into money. So now that you have the look ready, I guess you could add a few more details. Like, here's my cat whiskers. I need to go over them some more. Yep, make them nice and thick and noticeable. Like I said about the eyes, same thing with the whiskers. You gotta shade them. Make them nice and thick and noticeable. Same thing on this side. See, it has to be, the more symmetrical, the better. You gotta shade it. Now, the product I use is Expo marker. It works a lot. I would recommend using Sharpie because it'll stay on longer and it'll look twice as good. But if you don't have that, you can use Expo. It works just as well and it's temporary. Now, the eyebrows, you're gonna have to shape them a bit. You gotta have to shape it. Okay. And you gotta shape it here. Now, it's your choice if you want to shade them or not. Like I said before, shading is very important, but it's completely your choice. Now, I don't think I'm gonna shade them, but I think it's okay how it is. And now, what I'm gonna do now is, if you want earrings, but you don't have any, you just take a Sharpie and you color them in, or you draw one. I want a little circle. There we go. There we go. Perfect earring. And then if you want another one, just add it. I mean, this is completely up to you. It's an artistic style. It's just whatever you want. Now, I'm gonna add a few details onto my nose because I want to. The more creative, the better. Now I said this, you're gonna want to shade the whole nose if you want. I'm going for a tabby look. I look like an Animal Crossing character. Now, with the Expo, what you gotta look out for is if you backtrack it, it's gonna look awful. It's gonna like turn white or something. This part I'm just going to ignore, but I might want to get right here, because it is a bit hard to get off, but, you know, it's the end result, because I think I look good, you know? Maybe another whisker up here. I mean, it's your choice. I think 3 is enough, but sometimes you just want to add a 4th one. It's your choice. I don't know. I think it's good how it is. So I'm just going to leave this video right now like this. So let's do a comparison.